So yesterday I came out for a camp in the Meldon area and I was following Redevem Brook from more or less the dam all the way back, probably about 2 miles off in that direction. Along the walk there was loads and loads of people here, not just right here but all the way along the brook for about a mile. People who were just here to enjoy the open space, the fresh air, playing in the river, sunbathing, having a barbecue. I saw one barbecue and that one was a full stand-up job supported on legs and stuff. I was quite happy to see that, to be honest with you, because it's better than being on the ground. On my way back this morning I found this mess. I'm hoping it's picking up on camera well enough, but we've got a fire pit that's obviously been used. Burnt up crisp packets, sandwich bags, Monster tins, more crisp packets, more Monster tins. Somebody's even left a ProWorks leak-proof full bottle of water, probably full of piss to be honest with you. This pisses me off. People, if you're gonna come out here and enjoy it, it's the same for backpackers as it is for anyone just coming out for an afternoon to enjoy the riverside and chill. Please don't do this. Don't leave your rubbish behind. Anyway, so I'm going to hopefully have enough room in my rubbish bag, pick all this up. Let's get on with it. Don't really know what to do about this, to be honest. I don't know what that is. It's metal of some kind. I just get rid of the rocks. That'll discourage other people, hopefully, from building another fire if they don't see a pre-made fire. Oh, here's a lump. Trying to throw things into the bushes so they're not so visible, so they're hopefully not so easy for somebody else to pick up. What do we do about this? I reckon all I can do is just spread it around a bit. It's not going to let the ground grow, is it? Quite a lot of waste. What can I do with this? So I'm thinking I might use my poo trowel. It's going to be a long job. I've got to do it. I'm thinking by scattering this, it might act as some sort of fertiliser. Also allow this ground here to regrow. Dave's going nuts. He's trying to chase all this crap. Try not to hit me dog. Throw it that way. And most of this is just stones and wood. It's going to get reused by the environment. It's going to become fertiliser. So I'm not too worried about scattering it. But if I don't, then this ground won't get to regrow. So by scattering it, I'm hoping to do some good. But this is the kind of thing that gets us wild campers a bad name. Yeah, it's the wild campers like me that are out here trying to minimise the damage to the land and make it good. And we're getting penalised for it. So Alexander Darwell, if you happen to come across this video, just remember, Kerno Camps doesn't like this any more than you do. Kerno Camp would rather take a few moments to clear it up and hopefully, in the progress, educate 1 or 2 people throughout the lifetime of his channel not to do this. Leave no trace. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to score the ground a bit. I don't know how effective this will be in helping the situation, but what I'm going to do is just score this up a bit, and then by taking the burnt stuff off the top, hopefully this bit of ground will have a greater chance at regrowth. In fact, to hopefully aid things along a little bit more, I'm going to grab this bottle of what I'm hoping is water, but it might be urine, and just empty it all over here. Maybe promote some new growth, who knows. Either way, before I carry it out, I was going to empty it anyway, so it might as well be here. Hopefully maybe it'll do some good. As for this bottle, pretty good bottle. I might take it home, clean it out and use it myself. Why not? It's a litre. If anything, I'll make a good pee bottle. So just to wrap it up, guys, girls, when you come out here, leave no trace. Easy. Pick up your rubbish, don't have a fire, enjoy the surroundings and chill. Because I'll tell you what, Dartmoor at this time of year, it's one of the best times to visit. I don't want to discourage anyone from doing that, but I will discourage you from making a mess and giving us backpackers, wild campers, hikers on Dartmoor a bad name. So until next time, be good, be kind to the environment and take care. Bye. It's a bit better, mate. Oh, should be off. Oh, for fuck's sake, man.